All right. Hey guys. So this is Peter here. I am going to go ahead and make a video of the beta experience over this weekend. It was really fun. It's Sunday afternoon now. The beta started Friday at around noon Pacific time, and basically I've been participating in the last two beta events and this one, and I get a couple of characters so far just to test the different playstyles and test what kind of armor, what kind of weapon that I like. So basically, did Nightblade first. I was okay with it. It was kind of like just an archer and all that good stuff. And then I decided to give it a shot for the sorcerer to see what it's what's able to do, how good it is, and it was okay. I really like the Templar. It has a couple of abilities that I really enjoyed. It did give a shot to the Dragon Knight. It was okay. Just I wanted to see the skills basically, and there was another Nightblade and another Templar. As you can see, there is three Templars. This Templar is my main character in this beta. So basically, there were different attempts in different playstyles. When I made the first one, I didn't know how to reset the points, so I just created a new one. I got this second one up to like level 16, and she was wearing cloth and destruction staff, and it was okay, but it was maybe a little squishy, I thought. And but I really enjoyed it. I liked the Templar, and I decided that that's going to be the class that I'm going to be playing with. And I also, the third one, it was just wearing heavy, two-handed weapon, go in the middle of the battle, and do all kind of fun stuff in the middle of the crowd, kind of with a sweep or the two-hand ability, and it was pretty fun for leveling. But when I went to PvP, I realized that with a two-handed weapon, it can be challenging because you have to be pretty sturdy, to be in the middle of the battle, because Elder Scrolls Online has a massive scale PvP. So when you go and charge in to your opponent group, there are gonna be a lot of folks that are gonna be shooting stuff at you, and so that's one playstyle. It's enjoyable, but then you're sieging, so I had problems with being at the top of our fortress's wall and looking down at those opponents that are trying to capture it, and all I had is my two-handed weapon. Now I can definitely throw my two-handed weapons at them. Well, in theory, you can. The game doesn't allow you to do that, but that's how it felt like. There's like, okay, what am I gonna do? Now, later on, when you get to level 15, you can do weapon swap and you can go into the bow and all kind of stuff. So there is some workaround to that. But it didn't felt right, because I felt when I specialize on one thing, like heavy and two-handed weapon, they complement each other. So when I bring bow into the play, it's not going to be as strong. So, and it was a couple of challenges when I was questing as well. When a bigger pool, you die more frequently. You're a melee. You die pretty often when you pull a lot of things. So basically, that was 2 weeks ago when I did the second Templar. Now, I had a couple of weeks to think about what I really want to do. So when this beta launched, I went ahead and started playing with this Templar that I created a second time. And she was level 16. And like I said, it was wearing cloth and destruction stuff. But I was able to go to Gretwood in this beta event, and I was able to reset the point, which also allowed me to test how it works if you, middle of the character development process, you decide to change your mind in what kind of playstyle you want to do. And at level 16, I swapped. At level 25, I'm completely fine with the level skill, weapon level skill, and all that. It kind of synchronized it itself. It's really, I tip my hats to the developers. It's a really nice system how you can start developing into different avenues. But it did require to reset the points, which cost, I thought it cost a lot of gold. Now, it cost me like 3,000 gold at the beginning, so that's level 16-ish. And I was like, that's okay. I thought it was a lot, but then I realized that it's increasing. So when I reset my points again at like level 21-ish, it cost 4,600 gold. And I think it's very punishing to the players, especially with a new MMORPG where you have to pay so much gold just to test out different skills. Because sometimes you would be like really wanting to try a skill and you spend the point on it and then you take it to the battle and you use it and you don't like it. It shouldn't be that punishing to redo that decision. It shouldn't be that expensive because you're gonna have to redo your whole skill if that happens. All 3-line skill when that happens. I'm pretty sure other players feel the same way about that. So, anyways, so here is the Templar Archer that I kind of developed for my playstyle. I'm pretty sure many other people probably did the same thing, but I'm just going to go ahead and talk about it, how I felt about it. And so basically I called it the Archer of the Sun. So it kind of corresponds with the theme of the Templar class. And since, you know, wielding a bow, it kind of just made sense. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and log in and show you guys around.